In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map to your Squarespace site using their app. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as your website's creative hub, where you can easily manage and customize different sections of your site. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to click on Add Block. Now, this is a crucial step because the Add Block option is the gateway to adding new elements to your page. This is the functionality that allows you to enhance your site's content by inserting a variety of features, one of which is a map. Next, you'll want to click on the Map option. This is where you start bringing geographic clarity to your visitors, enabling them to see exactly where your business or event is located. At this point, you have successfully inserted a map block onto your page, but there's a bit more to do to tailor it to your specific needs. After adding the map block, it's time to click on Edit. The editing feature in Squarespace is user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to make adjustments without any technical hassle. Once you click on Edit, you'll be taken to a new menu where you can further customize your map's appearance. Now, to refine the look of your map, click on Design. The Design section is pivotal as it allows you to infuse your personal style into the map, making sure it aligns beautifully with your website's aesthetic. When in Design mode, you'll see an arrow pointing downwards. This is the next button you need to click on. With the drop-down options revealed, it's time to choose a map design. Squarespace offers various styles, ranging from classic to modern, and selecting the right one can make a big difference in how engaging and useful the map will appear to your visitors. Once the design is set, your next task is to adjust the zoom settings. This feature enables you to control the initial viewing scale of the map, providing either a localized or broader view depending on your preference. It's all about what you want your audience to see first. Moving on, you have the option to click on the Labels switch. This can help convey additional information like street names or landmarks, ensuring your audience gets the clearest guidance possible. Additionally, if you require topographical details, clicking on the Terrain switch might be useful. This switch will give your map a more textured appearance, ideal for places with varied landscapes. Another optional tweak is the Controls switch. Turn this on if you'd like to give your viewers the ability to interact with the map directly, zooming in and out, or panning to explore the area more extensively. Finally, after all these customizations, be sure to click on Save. This will apply all the changes you've meticulously made, ensuring your map looks exactly as desired. And that's it. You've now added a functional and visually appealing map to your Squarespace site, enhancing both its utility and design.